Let's be honest, you think you know how to hire for technical roles. You paste every acronym and hope the perfect candidate appears. A bad hire here isn't a minor setback, it's a ticking time bomb. It can drain your budget and demoralize your team. Fixing the mess often costs more than 3 times the engineer's salary. Stop gambling. This guide gives you a practical, no-nonsense hiring framework. Clear steps to assess candidates effectively, technically, and compliantly will show you what truly matters, not just buzzwords. By the end, you'll have interview questions, assessment ideas, sourcing tips, and red flags to avoid. First, what does an infrastructure automation engineer actually do? They design, implement, and maintain automated infrastructure. They convert manual, error-prone work into repeatable, reliable systems. The right hire builds resilient systems. The wrong hire creates chaos. Now let's break down the skills and how to assess them. When you write the JD, stop listing every technology. That scares away qualified candidates and attracts acronym hunters. Focus on essentials. Must have hands-on proficiency in at least one major cloud, commonly Azure or AWS. They must understand cost, networking, and security nuances. Experience matters more than a certificate. Non-negotiable, strong practical Terraform or equivalent IAC experience. Configuration management, Ansible, Puppet, or Chef, used to ensure consistency. Ask candidates to explain a project. Look for clarity on design choices. Their ability to articulate the how and why shows depth. Scripting is the glue, Python, Bash, or PowerShell. Look for clean, maintainable scripts, not clever one-liners. They should be comfortable integrating APIs and tooling. Ask them to walk you through a real script they wrote. Nice to have containerization, Docker, orchestration, Kubernetes. A plus as infra moves cloud native. CI/CD tools that connect infra and apps are valuable. And monitoring observability. They must consider the full lifecycle. Technical chops are necessary, but not sufficient. Next, the soft skills that predict success. Problem solving is the single most important trait. You need someone who stays methodical during outages. Look for structured thinking. Containment, diagnosis, communication, resolution, post-mortem. Ask, walk me through a major unexpected infrastructure failure you handled. Probe, what were your immediate steps? How did you find the root cause? A strong answer shows containment, clear diagnosis, stakeholder updates, and lasting fixes. Weak answers are vague, blame-focused, or lack a clear timeline. Teamwork and communication are vital, and this role is a hub between DevOps and security. Include a peer interview, ask about disagreements, describe a time you disagreed with a colleague. How did you handle it? Good answers use data, seek to understand, and aim for a solution that serves the project. Look for active listening and evidence they incorporate feedback. The right person amplifies team velocity, the wrong one creates friction. Use a live scenario or timed exercise to observe their thought process under pressure. Use structured scorecards and evidence-based notes to avoid bias. Put examples on the table so interviewers assess consistently. Don't ask protected or irrelevant questions. Instead, try this compliant phrasing. Ask, what are you excited to learn next in infrastructure automation? Or what part of this role excites you most based on what you've seen? You can't hire who never sees your posting. Use a multi-channel plan. Top sources: LinkedIn, targeted communities, Slack, Discord, forums, and internal referrals. Personalized outreach beats generic messages every time. Prefer practical take-home tasks that mirror day-to-day work, e.g. writing Terraform to deploy a sample app, evaluate clarity, docs, commit hygiene, and security scale considerations. A polished submission signals professionalism and consideration for the next engineer. Use a panel debrief to align evidence before deciding. Don't over-index on pedigree, focus on the complexity of problems solved. Use structured scorecards to reduce bias and document evidence. Avoid rushing. Get multiple perspectives and allow time for alignment. Include peer interviews to assess collaboration and cultural fit. Quick checklist: essential tech, practical test, structured scorecards, peer interview, compliant fit questions. If you're hiring now, People Team can deliver vetted, impact-ready candidates quickly. Check peopleteam.com hiring to get started today. Hire with intention. It protects your systems, budget, and team morale. If this was useful, subscribe for more hiring guides and visit peopleteam.com/hiring. Thanks. I'm Chris. Good hiring.